All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here in Norwalk, Ohio. Let's take a look at this building right here, a 24 by 36. You can see here, Dan's up there installing a cupola here, getting it prepped up. You probably can see that right there. 2-foot cupola going to be going on here. But good looking building here, red, and then red sidewall steel, then also red wainscot. But I want to show you that roof. You can see it's a wider panel. And a lot of the roofs that you probably seen in post frames are not the wider rib. So you can see that it's a wider rib. Again, a 40-year guarantee. Again, on the roof metal. And then also a 40-year guarantee on the sidewall steel. And also on the wainscot. But let's take a look at this a little bit more in depth here. But be sure to like the video here. Give us your comments. We always want to hear your feedback and so forth. But yeah, you can see here, you can do the same color with wainscot there. Again, it's all preference here. Again, you want to set that up a little bit to let water not congregate there. So you let your sidewall steel, you want to move that up just a little bit from your wainscot. See how that is? You want to bring that up just a little bit. In previous videos, we talked about that. But if you look at that, you see how that's set up just a little bit. That way water can move and so forth. Because if you set it right down there on the trim, I've seen this happen before, you're going to have a rust pattern. It only happened a couple times, but again, metal companies have advised us to do that. So there's a little tip for you there. And then you can see the beautiful, beautiful white overhead door trim there. Fascia soffit. Now on this building, you can see right here. Well, before that, check out this cupola right here, 2 foot. Well, how big is this? Is this a 2-foot cupola, John?
Yeah, 3 foot.
A 3-foot cupola. Look at that. Look at that beautiful cupola right there. See that white? Almost seems like a Christmas theme here with this cupola, but that 3-foot cupola is going to go on this building. Again, it's a 24 by 36. You can see what Alex is doing up there. He's putting the baffles up there. And now this building, you can see here, you got drip stop metal. And again, different than vapor barrier. Drip stop comes pre-assembled to the existing steel right there, so it acts as a condensation barrier. Now it's easy to wipe down. It does have a 20-year warranty on it, but you can power wash that. And again, 20-year warranty on that. So the guys obviously have the hurricane ties up. That's really important. When you're out in Ohio, very windy, so the hurricane ties with the truss system. And you can see the truss spacing 4 foot on center. Now in this building, you can see 24 by 36. We used 4 by 6 posts, actually 6 by 6 posts on this building. And then the baseboard, we're gonna have to bring this up. Well, actually the owner will bring this up when he does concrete, but you can see here as we go around and look at the perimeter there. He's gonna have to bring this up before he installs the concrete, pull up more stone. So utilize 6 by 6 posts. And then the window here, we use an Anderson window. You can see right here, Anderson window. A little bit higher quality window. It's a silver line window, Anderson, made by Anderson. And to keep following the journey, again, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment in there and keep following the journey. But for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com. Attica Lumber since 1925.